Hey guys, it's me again. I'm going to show you my cousin's dirt bike, but it's like not done yet. Cody, is it done?
Yeah,
That's the same?
yeah, it's done. You just
have to put gas in it and then it's good.
Yep.
Here, Cody, hold this. Okay.
Cool. But there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Come here. Look. Okay. There's one more thing I wanted to show you guys. That's my dad's show. Wanted to show you guys this. That's my gas-powered four-wheeler with my dirt bike. And I'm going to show you my brother's four-wheeler. He has a four-wheeler too. And he's only 5. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Wait, do the zip line. I have to show you the zip line. There's the zip line. You can't see it, but there's the pool. I know, it's ginormous.
And here's my brother.
That's the cousin. Okay, have a good day. Can you subscribe and like? Thank you. Bye.